Children, in this video we are going to derive expression for mirror equation, that is the relation between object distance u, image distance v and the focal length f. So you can see the concave mirror. Let me mark the principal axis now. Mark the pole of the mirror first. So this is the pole. Here is the pole of the mirror. At every 2 centimeter I am marking. So here is the center of curvature and here I am going to place the object. Okay, so this is the pole of the mirror, this is the pole of the mirror, focus, and this is the center of curvature, and here you are going to place the object. So object I am going to draw 1.5 centimeter height. Okay, so this is the object. AB is the object. You are going to locate the image position. For that, what you can do, use 3 rules. Okay, already have learned 4 rules. Among that I am going to use 3 rules. Paraxial ray, that is the ray parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis. After reflection at this point D on the mirror, it passes through the focus. Okay, it passes through the focus. This is rule number 1. It passes through the focus. And the second rule, you can use another rule. The ray passing through the center of curvature, it retraces its path. Okay, it incident at the point E on the mirror, then it retraces its path. Then you can use another rule, that is the ray falling directly on the pole, ray falling in, this is the incident ray on the pole. After reflection it passes through B dash. Okay, it passes along, this is the reflected ray. After reflection at the pole, it will be reflected along B dash. Okay, you can see if you use all the 3 rules, you can see this is the intersecting points. B dash is the intersecting point. Here lies the image which is perpendicular to the principal axis. So A dash, B dash is the image. Got it? Now you can mark the object distance. Always measure the distance from the pole. So PA is the object, that is equal to minus u, because you are measuring along negative axis, x-axis. PA is minus u. And what is PA dash? That is the image distance minus v. Image distance, object distance. What is PF is equal to? That is nothing but focal length. Okay, everything you are measuring along from the pole along the negative axis. So that is minus f, and AB is the height of the object represented by the letter H, which is along the positive y axis, right? You can see which this is along the positive y axis. Height of the object height, otherwise object height. And what is A dash, B dash? That is nothing but H dash, that is image height. You can see the image is along negative x-axis, so this is minus h dash, right? So image distance, image height is minus h dash. All these things should be noted, right? So to prove the mirror equation, children, see, you look here, all the 3 rules I have written here. AB is the object. You can see the diagram. AB is the object which is perpendicular to the principal axis and it is beyond center of curvature. First rule, paraxial ray after reflection at the point D passes through the focus. Second is second paraxial ray, when hit on the pole, it reflect along PB dash. And the third rule is ray passing through the center of curvature, it retraces its path. And you are drawing draw perpendicular A dash, B dash to the principal axis. This is the image, and the image is real and inverted. Okay, all these things you have to write. Now to prove the mirror equation, you can follow that according to the law of reflection. So you know this is angle of incidence and this will be angle of reflection. Okay, according to laws of reflection, you know that angle I is equal to angle R, right? So angle BPA is equal to this angle. What is that? B dash P A dash. B dash P A dash. This is to the law of reflection. Now you are considering 2 similar triangles, children. Okay, let me use a different color here. Which 2 triangles I am going to consider is this triangle. Okay, this is the first triangle I am going to consider, that is this triangle ABP, and another triangle you can consider, that is this triangle. Okay, so what is the other triangle, children? A dash B dash P. These two are similar triangle, children. Why? You can see here in this triangle, this is 90 degree. Here these two angles are equal, right? These two angles are equal because this is angle I and this is angle R. So these two angles are equal. So naturally these two angles will become equal. So three angles are equal in both the triangles. So similarity, by similarity rule, you can ratio of the sides are proportional. So what you can do, consider this vertical height, that is A dash B dash by this height AB is equal to, in this triangle consider the base PA dash, in this triangle the base is PA. So you have equated the sides. So let it be equation 1. Similarly, another two triangles are also similar, children. Which triangle? You can highlight the other triangle. See, I will shade it. Okay, you can say these are nearly straight line. So this triangle. Okay, what is the triangle? Triangle DPF, and another triangle here, this triangle. What is the triangle? A dash B dash F. These two triangles are similar because you can see you have 90 degrees here. The angle opposite side to this vertical angles, angle opposite side to this vertical, these two angles are same. So these two angles are same, means naturally this will be also similar. So these two are similar triangles. As usual, ratio of the sides you can equate. Sides are proportional. So in this side, the vertical side is A dash B dash, by here vertical side is DP. Okay, here base is A dash F and here base is PF. Okay, so you can see from the diagram DP is equal to AB, right? So instead of this DP, you can replace it as AB. Let it be equation 2. A dash F by PF. So this is equation 3. Okay, so A dash F, if you look here, this is F, right? What is this A dash F, children? If you subtract from PA dash, if you subtract PF, you will get this length, right? So what is PA dash F? This equation you can write it as A dash B dash by AB is equal to what you have subtracted from PA dash, you have subtracted PF, so you got this A dash F by PF. Okay, so now I will have this equation 4. What you can do is you can compare equation 1 and 4, children. If you compare this equation 1 and 4, you can see LHS are same. So you can compare the right hand side. So what is the right hand side? PA dash by PA is equal to PA dash minus PF by PF, right? You can substitute these values here. You got each and every values here, so you can substitute each and every value here. What you will get? PA dash is minus B, PA is minus U, so this will be equal to PA dash minus V minus this PF is minus F divided by minus F. So what will you get? Negative sign, minus by minus is plus, so V by U is equal to minus V plus F, right, by minus F. So V by U is equal to V by F minus 1. Okay, split it and divide. So divide by V on both sides. Okay, divide by V on both sides. What will you get? V by U into 1 by V is equal to V by F into 1 by V minus 1. So everywhere you have divided by V. These two will get cancelled. So you will get 1 by U we cancel 1 by f minus 1 by v, right? So what will you get here if you rearrange that? 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this is the required mirror equation, children. Next we will find out the magnification, lateral magnification, children. What is magnification? That is, you are comparing the height of the image to the height of the object, that is h dash by h. From the diagram you can say that what is h dash. Look at the diagram here. What this is h, right? And this is h dash. So what is h dash, children? That is nothing but h dash is here, right? A dash b dash. A dash b dash by ab. Okay. So you from equation 1, you know what is equation 1? Equation 1 is a dash b dash by ab is pa dash by pa, right? So I will copy down this equation 1 here. From equation 1, a dash b dash by ab is equal to pa dash by pa. This is equation 1. So you can write magnification m as h dash by h is equal to a dash. You can write it as pa dash by pa. What is pa dash, children? Know that pa dash is nothing but minus v. Pa is minus u, right? So you can write it as pa dash is minus v and this is minus u. And one more thing, here h dash is minus, right? What is a dash b dash, children? You can see a dash b dash is minus h dash. So a dash b dash is, you have to write it as minus h dash. So what will you get? M is equal to minus h dash by h is equal to v by u. This is one form of equation for magnification. Image height by object height, image distance by object distance. Okay, magnification equal. You can simplify further by using mirror equation, children, right? So from mirror equation, what is mirror equation? 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, right? So 1 by v equal to, rearrange, 1 by f minus 1 by u, multiply by v on both sides. What will you get? So v by v is equal to v by f minus v by u. So this is nothing but 1 is equal to v by f minus v by u. So rearrange, v by u is equal to v by f minus 1. Take LCM on right hand side, you will get v minus f by v. Okay. Now what you can do is, you can introduce negative sign on both sides. Okay, so what happens? Minus v by u, here you introduce minus. So bring this negative sign inside the bracket. So you will get minus v plus f by f. Minus v by is equal to v minus f by f. You know that this is nothing but magnification, right? Minus v by u is m. Object distance, image distance by object distance is magnification f. M is equal to f minus v by f. This is another form of formula for magnification. Yet another formula you can also bring, children. Okay. In terms of, here you got in terms of v, right? You can bring it in terms of u. In terms of u also you can bring. For that also you can use mirror equation. Okay. From mirror equation, you can write 1 by u is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v. Now you multiply by u on both sides. Here you have multiplied v here. So u by u is equal to u by f minus u by v. Okay. So what will you get here? 1 is equal to u by f minus u by v. So u by v is equal to, rearrange, u by f minus 1. Now you introduce negative sign. Introduce negative sign. So minus u by v is equal to minus u by f minus 1. Take negative sign inside bracket. Before that we will take LCM, children, by f. Now you take the negative sign inside, minus u plus f by f. Okay, minus u by v is equal to, shall I write it as f minus u by f? So now you can reciprocal. So v by u is equal to, here also you can write in reciprocal form, f by f minus u. So already you know that this is nothing but magnification. So m is equal to f by f minus u. Okay, so this is another form of magnification equation. Here f minus magnification is f minus v by f. Here m magnification is equal to f by f minus u. So you have to learn all these formulas, children. Thank you.